Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to the Learn English podcast. I'm Anna, your English coach and conversation partner. Today's episode is called Expressing Emotions Like a Native in English. In this amazing episode, we're going to explore how native speakers express feelings, not just with words, but with tone, rhythm, and emotion. But before we begin, let me tell you something important. Today we'll be practicing with the shadowing technique. That means you'll repeat after me, right after you hear a phrase. Trying to copy my pronunciation, speed, and emotion as closely as possible. This method trains your ear, your pronunciation, and even your emotional expression in English. So as you listen, don't just sit back. Speak with me. Shadow me. Feel the emotion. By the end of this episode, you'll sound more natural, more expressive, and more confident when speaking about your feelings in English. Let's begin. Let's start with one of the best emotions, happiness. Think about the last time you felt truly happy. Maybe you got good news, you met a friend, or you achieved something big. How do you express that feeling in English? Beyond just saying, I'm happy. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Shadow the rhythm and energy in my voice. I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy right now. One more time, try to say it slower and warmer. I'm so happy right now. Now let's sound more native and real. I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon. Over the moon means that you feel extremely happy. I can't stop smiling. I can't stop smiling. This just made my day. Here you can hear the tone changes. Light, upbeat, full of energy. This just made my day. Made my day means that something small made you feel great. In English, emotion lives in the voice, not just in the words. When you say these sentences, smile, and your tone will change naturally. Remember, English emotion is physical. Now let's move into softer emotions like sadness, disappointment, loss. Native speakers don't just say, I'm sad. They describe how and why they feel it. Repeat with me. I feel down today. I feel down today. I'm feeling blue. I'm feeling blue. Feeling blue is an idiom for sadness, but gentle sadness, not deep depression. It broke my heart. It broke my heart. I just need some time to clear my head. I just need some time to clear my head. This expression means I need to relax and think clearly again. Now notice, native speakers use tone drops, pauses, and softer delivery to express sadness. Try saying it with that emotion. Slow down. Breathe. Feel it. You don't need to avoid sad feelings. Actually, they help you express yourself more authentically in conversations. Now let's talk about love, affection, and care, feelings that make us connect deeply with others. Native speakers often use warm, soft tones and emotional rhythm here. Let's practice some key phrases. Remember, shadow my voice. I care about you. I care about you. You mean a lot to me. You mean a lot to me. Mean a lot to someone means be very important to them. I'm so grateful for you. I'm so grateful for you. Grateful means thankful. I love spending time with you. I love spending time with you. And in casual English, you might hear, "You're awesome." You're awesome. You're the best. You're the best. Tone. Here is everything, as love sounds open, bright, and sincere. Also, try smiling as you speak, and you will notice how your pronunciation changes naturally. And sometimes we also need to express anger or frustration, but calmly, naturally, like a native speaker. Instead of shouting, native speakers often use tone and rhythm to release emotion. Let's shadow these, "I'm so frustrated right now." I'm so frustrated right now. This really gets on my nerves. This really gets on my nerves. Gets on my nerves means that something irritates or bothers me. That means something annoys you repeatedly. I can't believe this happened. I can't believe this happened. I've had enough. I've had enough. I've had enough means that you can't tolerate more. Now soften it for polite anger. I'm a bit upset about that. I'm a bit upset about that. You can sound serious without being rude. That's emotional intelligence in English. When expressing anger, control your tone. It should be strong, but not loud. Now, let's explore surprise. In English, intonation jumps. Voices rise, eyebrows lift, and rhythm speeds up. Let's shadow these examples. No way. No way. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. You're kidding me means you're joking. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. That's unbelievable. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable means very surprising or shocking. And for positive shock, that's incredible. That's incredible. Tone goes up, not down. Surprise is fast, bright, emotional. Great. Now let's activate your memory. We'll do an SRS-style review. This is a learning technique that improves long-term memory by reviewing information at gradually increasing intervals. With this technique, you revisit material just before you're likely to forget it, which strengthens your recall each time. I'll say a situation, and you recall the phrase. Ready? When you're very happy, what can you say? I'm over the moon. Or this made my day. When you're sad, what can you say? I feel down today. Or I'm feeling blue. When you're showing love or care, you can say, You mean a lot to me. Or I care about you. When you're frustrated, you say, I've had enough. Or this really gets on my nerves. When you're surprised, No way, or you're kidding me. Now, shadow again. Repeat each one with emotion and rhythm. I'm over the moon. I feel down today. You mean a lot to me. I've had enough. No way. Fantastic. That's your emotional fluency workout. You did an amazing work today, my friend. You didn't just learn English, you felt it. By using shadowing, you trained your ear, your emotion, and your pronunciation. And by reviewing with SRS, you locked those phrases into long-term memory. Remember, emotion is what makes your English alive. So next time you speak, don't just say words, feel them. Thank you for joining me today. And if you enjoyed this episode, listen again tomorrow. Remember, repetition is your secret weapon. Until next time, stay curious, keep feeling, and keep learning.
Want to take your English skills further? Now's the moment to take action. With Lingua Flow, you will learn from real, experienced teachers, at your pace, on your own time, and without breaking your budget. Don't just imagine yourself speaking confidently in another language. Make it your reality. Our international community of learners is waiting for you, and we offer many languages to choose from. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll communicate with fluency. Tap the link in the description and message us today to secure your spot.